Ibe tingchua ilung ta pen mena namaigu Marasam News kadai rensa Zeme kona pumwangai dele.
Hollywood actor Pazina Will Smith to danai kram ke zete said remake Academy of Motion Pictures Art na Science Hollywood actor na actresses sange Oscar Award hatope bebam ge tingkum kre wang ta darahang Academy of Motion Picture Art na Science ne sam kam gai dele anui haim na ne palamchi mi gara ile aize Hollywood actor Will Smith ne teti betini kakna hapta kana ge Oscar hatope bebam ge hapa nuite chibe pe comedian Chris Rock ne actor Will Smith now Zada Pinkett Smith alopecia pipaitam kangai ban ra ze patam go belam ge hapa nuite zbam de ge Will Smith ne hapa nuite chibe pe comedian Chris Rock to pe be dele ipo zegana Academy of Motion Picture Art na Science ne Hollywood actor Will Smith to Oscar hatope bebam tingkum kre wang ta darahang sam kam gai dele Union Home Minister Sri Amit Sadne saz Assam gdei nai anui Northeast test na ne lesi kira me kruria changbe Hindi subject lesi kiya katera lesi te him changra compulsory to rale je sale zaina Union Home Minister Sri Amit Sadne saz Hindi ko lesi kiya katebelo ningting ga rale je kchule Union Home Minister Sam Kuwagabetuz Assam Education Minister Ranoj Pegune Zinai Kram Kyozes Kwe Kamage Saz Hindi ko let chimi makpezegene Assam ke degido halui bome Hindi let sabam tete zai Punuita bam hang pulak sabam bisonga zabam le jakchule Hollywood nai Bollywood actor Priyanka Chopra na danai Kram Kyozet said remake world leaders kedai prem gu ka sa karang manai ngogai be pui pe ram du kyamze Russia kedai na Ukraine kedai switch gu bam zegene Ukraine kedege Zeme me rei zegene penuki soluza pang biateti meramdu humanitarian nai refugee crisis Zeme medu kangyaze ngogar hangkyam gaidele actress Priyanka Chopra ze UNICEF kede prep mig madage hno merame wangchang laksubam bege ngogai za rehe gai rahange United Nation International Children Emergency Fund ge Goodwill Ambassador hakadak puite zabam dele Priyanka Chopra na pugu Instagram video ge world leaders kede pre megu kasa karang menai ngogabe pui pe ramdu rangaize Ukraine nai Russia rengi zabam zegene Ukraine hna merame million kana si punuki sogai luze kadobe kedege pangbia gai zala le jagchule
World leaders, this is a direct appeal to you. We need you to answer the call from activists and advocates working to support the humanitarian and refugee crisis that we are watching unfold every day in Eastern Europe. We need you to take immediate action to help displaced people from Ukraine and all around the world. To give you context, in total, 2 million children have been forced to leave everything behind in search of safety in neighboring countries. Together with the 2.5 million children internally displaced inside Ukraine, it's one of the fastest large-scale displacements of children since World War II. These numbers are staggering. So much trauma for so many young lives which will forever be carved into their memories. None of these children will ever be the same again after what they've seen and what they've experienced. So the leaders of UK, Germany, Japan, Norway, Australia, when you meet to decide how much funding you will give to support humanitarian aid, will you stand up for refugees everywhere? Will you contribute the billions that they need? I'm asking everyone who sees this video to please amplify this call. Post yourself, share a video from an activist, or share this video so that our leaders know we need the world to stand up and support refugees. This is the largest refugee crisis we have seen as human beings.
Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na danai kram kyozite said remake COVID-19 rehu precaution dose pakuchumpe tingkan tobetoze COVID-19 rehu kabra telogabe tingkum krote se changdi melaine namai kram kyozi kroin takmai tingkum chang na jangkai kanoge aipo precaution dose kapchu do buidele po zegena India kadega COVID-19 rehu pezina Covaxin teloi perkabe company Bharat Biotech Hyderabad ka bampene saze punuina COVID-19 rehu teloi pepe Covaxin rehu ze kraiba ka dos eket hange changker haina teze zozebembe pimite sugaize namaigena chuze COVID-19 rehu Covaxin dos eket ka haina coming yo hange punuina pimite kyo gaidele Bharat Biotech na sale zaina punega bampe Serum Institute of India na COVID-19 rehu tole perkaibe pizina Covaxin zedu kraiba ka dos eket hange high stroke zozebembe namaigena chuze pimite sugaize COVID-19 rehu Covaxin dos eket haina coming yo hangte gaidele rangle
Aigena namaigu Marasam News ka loy gadele pigais and kingani malay indu to dele.